Aba ministry batangira kanso nabwanyuma baza akatare akayombekirwe ba landlords kuzamo abapanyisa uko no batangira ekiganiro.
The RCC to harmonize, because they were saying, you know, when they take us there, they will not allow us to do this and that. Now, when we were shifting, when we were thinking of constructing, we had to secure a permit to come and look at this structure. They are not there like that. We secured a permit. This Mbana Market Landlord Association was registered in the year 2007.
Olchiko kurwahwa aba ministry obashendekerezibeho abebemsku rwo mu kanso yambara na chairman w'aba Landlords Merchanting Association baza kuvugana abashubuza abarukorera mu katare ka Merchanting.
Tukashitama nk'abashubuzi twareba mu kicire kandi cyeragwa kuganira ho na Honorable Minister abwenshonga za Resta zimwe na zimwe
mbirogwe government yitu yakikiza kujangu kari ubaye babiri barando ndobiro bakashaka ko ekibaye bintu bitarize ekahika yako kuyahwa ko katari nankani government yasanga kujangu akabashubuzi bagaru ubwo butarubu batandike group yabo baso yes
atu good wazarwa mweza madam ubwo mwanya kabuyo kwa kanso yahereza abantu location bayombekera umwanya nyine location ubwo mukaba konko uzibono bo byombi tukwinganisa myaka arimo binyaka nana mwenda arimo imyaka 2
tipo ndo kwatanise video just vendors na social na landlords
atumbwiro
ikindi kwendo manyi landlords and vendors tibine rights kushana katara
Have to be where a vendor should be. Yes. We know. But we need to do 1, 2, 3, 4
things 5
in line with the market.
Ebyo nabyaho aba ministry barukushaba emba zombiri okugira obumwe enshonga zabo nabo kuja kuzikoraho.
You know, we are human beings. It's normal and natural that we can get annoyed and stuff, but please don't take emotions.
Yes.
Through your leaders, like you presented in the issue of the minister, we have come here.
Enshonga za katare ka Merchanting kuja kombekwa za kumara emyaka erengero muri 16 akatare akarukugamo kuja kombekwa umwanyogo nako kuja kukezaho billion 40 omurumugu kugurabe gwatanikire nwije kumara emyaka 2. Abwa TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon.